Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
So today we are going to learn about joins in DAX with or without relationships.
Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go.
First, we need to understand the standard relationship in DAX. What does it mean by this? When a data model has more than one table, it is possible to have a relationship between them, and that will be used by DAX during calculation. But there are some limitations. Only one-to-one and one-to-many relationships can be used. Only a single column from each table can be used. Match criteria should be an exact match. That means only equal operators can be used. Self joins cannot be used. Now, when we want to join without a relationship in DAX, there are some functions which can be used like cross join, generate, natural inner join, natural left outer join, union, accept and intersect. So now we are going to move to Power BI desktop to know about this function. Now I am in Power BI desktop. First, I have created one table, table A with 4 columns, table B with 4 columns. So these are all the values. Using that, 2 tables, I have created another table, table C. I have used cross join function. So table A and table B. Now one thing should be noted, cross join function can have multiple tables, means more than 2 tables can be added. Okay, and the result output is a Cartesian product. That means the table A has 4 columns, table B has 8 columns, and you can observe table C has 32 columns. Now using the generate function, I'll create one calculated measure. Okay, so it will return 32 rows. That means output of this generate function is 32 rows. Okay, that means that the table has 32 rows. Now I am going to create another calculated measure where within the generate function I have used filter condition. Okay, using that I have created one calculated measure and that it will give the output as 4 because I have provided this filter condition. Let us consider another scenario for generate function where we want to display a table where multiplying the rows. For example, I have created another table, table D, price and product, and using that table D, I have created another table E. In table E, you can observe where I have used generate function, table D, and I have used generate series function. This is also another function, generate series. What is the purpose of this function? This function helps to generate a dynamic number series. Okay, and you can observe my product table, this table D has this 2 columns and 3 rows, where when I calculated this table, I am getting this number of rows. That means it is multiplying the rows. Now we are going to learn about the next function. For that, I have created this table 1 and table 2. Let me go to this page 5. Table 1, name and value 1. So it has 4 rows. Table 2, name and value 2. It has also 4 rows. So you can observe 2 are the common rows. Now I have created table 3 using natural inner join. Inner join, you know, in SQL we have inner join, left outer join, right outer join. So it has the same functionality. So natural inner join. I have used 2 variables and created one table which is using natural inner join. One thing you can observe, here I have used select columns. Why I have used select columns? Because table 1 has name and value 1. Table 2, name and value 2. Here name is the common. Here name is the same name. It's not the name 1 or name 2. So if 2 table has a same column name, it will throw an error. So to bypass that error, I have used select column. Okay. Now it will not throw an error. So this is the output of this table 3. It will provide the common data. Now I have created another table, table 4, which is using natural left outer join. If you can remember what is the meaning of left outer join, you can observe this is the output A, B, C, D and the common data from the second table 3 and 4. So result is in this way. So there are some functions like union, intersect, except. So I haven't created any measures here or table calculated table here. You can also try it where table 1 comma table 2. Now if I am going to type intersect left table, right table, it will provide the common information except left table and right table. So it is providing the returns the rows left side table which do not appear in the right side table. So from this exercise, I hope you are able to understand about the joining and conditions in DAX with or without relationship.
I hope you like this tutorial. Please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.